to start with the March 18th worksheet here. Find the slope of each line. I want you to look at the first graph, and we'll recall that we always look at slope as rise over run. Rise is up and down, run is to the right always. If you'll notice that you'll have 2 points given. One is given here, and it was very faint, and another was given here. Now I added a point here because when I followed this line all the way up, I see that where 4 squares come together, this line crossed exactly here. Now the way we're going to count our rise over run is we're going to start at the most left point and then count all the way up and then over to the next point. So we'll count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then so it's up 10 and then 1, 2, over 2. So if I was going to write my slope, I would write 10 over 2. Okay. The one thing we do know about slope is if you do have a point that you can find before then, which in this case we could, you could also say the slope was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1. Now, if you got the slope 10 over 2, you do know that it is the same thing as 5 over 1. You can reduce 10 over 2, divide both numbers by 2, and get 5 over 1. Now, given the points that they gave you originally, this one here and this one here, 10 over 2 is an acceptable answer, but we would like you to try and reduce it if you can.